Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Nefer Persona. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, as you see, I'm going to be doing something to my head as usual. This is my birthday month. It is coming up here shortly on the 15th of November, and I'm just playing around in my head to see what I want to do. I'm going to do a rubber band style, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm conjuring up, and I'm ad-libbing as I go, which is just making stuff up. Don't really have a plan of action at this particular time. Just watch what I do, which is going to be a lot of things. This is temporary because I'm getting ready to do some crochet braids for my birthday, which is this Sunday. So I'm going to be posting, like I said, some randomness. So don't trip if you see a lot of crazy stuff being posted. So stay tuned to the end if you want to scroll to the end and see what the finished results are. Fine. I do want to say my channel is primarily about, hair, beauty, lifestyle, makeup, DIY, home decor, things like that. I also have a cooking channel that I have up called Shuna's Cooktorials. I only have like 2 videos up, but I have like 15 or so that I need to edit and get up there. So if you're interested in watching some cooking, let me know, or not let me know, but I'll link it below if you're interested. Just some budget cooking, budget meals, some semi-homemade stuff just like that. But what I'm doing here is going to be like chain connection, and I did this a long time ago, well, earlier this year, not a long time ago, when I did some crochets, because I got sick of the hair like slipping. So this is a perfect base, which is what I'm basically doing. But I'm just going to put it into a little bit of style to wear for like 2 days, and then I'm going to do my crochet braids, and that'll be posted sometime later on after my birthday, of course, hopefully before the month is over. And I'm going to be doing like some more commentary on my channel here coming up as well. I still have those budget videos that I'm working on. It's just so hard to do those type of videos because you have so much information you're trying to put into them. Let me know what you think. Yeah, my hair is very moisturized. If I know I'm all over the place, but I'm trying to get back in the gist of doing this because I was in my hair for a while because I was sick. But trying to come back, make something of this, I guess. Okay, on this part here, I'm just going to be pulling this faux braid out to make it a butterfly, kind of like a messy boho look. The more you pull, the messier it will be. We just try to pull right at the tip so it can fan out and get big and bigger. I wanted to do a little bit longer, but I didn't want to focus too much on it because, like I said, it was a temporary style. I probably will visit it again pretty soon because I just love a butterfly braid. I think it's so cute, so elegant, especially when you have two. There's so much you can do with them, and it's so easy and very low maintenance. So if you like this style or if this is something you will rock, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Let's get that engagement up so the algorithm can keep, or should I say algorithms, can keep me in rotation. No more engagement equals more recommendations. Trying to still make a name for myself. This is so hard, but I'm going to keep going, right? Speaking into the existence. So, thanks for tuning in. Once again, this is the Fur Persona introducing one of her personas. Don't know which one this is. Like I say, I'm just so random with certain things. Never know what I'm going for, but I always end up with something spectacular, I think. So, yeah. Look at that. Elegant. But I didn't leave it like that. Alright, peace out. See you guys later, and come on back for more, because there will definitely be more. Bye.